Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday and it is race day. But starting out the morning, there's a car show right by our hotel and we got Aventadors for days. So starting off the morning right, I mean, we got at least 5 SVJs that I can see. We got this crazy SV right here, Aventador S, and then we got a couple of really nice cars. It looks like it's going to be insane. So let's show you guys around. Here within all the chaos, we got a red Carrera GT. Never seen a red one before, but that is amazing. Oh. And we got so much chaos. I mean, all these SVJs, another SV. Holy crap. Just getting started. We got a whole lineup right here. So looking at these SVJs, I mean, they all have custom carbon hoods and everything. It's crazy. This one even has the, I believe that's a 1016 roof scoop. I mean, everything's bigger in Texas. Good. Oh, this whole lineup. There's another SVJ back there just sitting. Got the whole little lineup. Walk down here just a little bit. Oh, beautiful 458. Oh my. We got 750, 720, 430. I believe that's a 355 maybe. And then got Porsches. Got a really beautiful GT3 down there. But this thing, oh, crazy. And then the Corvettes that try to be supercars. Looks like traffic's flowing now at least. Got a very nice looking R8 right here. And then this R8 right behind it. This thing just looks nasty with that wing. But back here, looking at this GT3. I don't know if this is yachting blue metallic, but whatever it is beautiful. And then in the line of all the supercars, you got the 997.2 Turbo S. And then we got a Stagia, just random, but second gen Viper with like an ACR wing back there. There just goes for days. Nice Carrera T. We got an R35 coming in and a couple Huracans. Look at this little MR2. It's got like a whole body kit on it, Ferrari badges, wing. Honestly, I respect the creativeness. You don't see too much done to these last gen MR2s. So, I thought this was just a normal 720, and then I saw the wheels, and then I saw the sticker, and then I saw the roof scoop. This is a ultra exclusive 720 LM. So, made to commemorate the LeMans, or their 25 years of being in Le Mans. And this gets stuff that the regular 720 didn't, such as the LM wheels, which McLaren will not sell to you. And then it also gets a little sticker. And then I believe this is the only function, or this is the only way from factory that you could get a 720S with a roof scoop that is functional. Dang. Definitely wasn't expecting to see this here, let alone this whole show, honestly. Dang. Taking a quick closer look at the CGT. It's just absolutely amazing. It's got the black interior, wood grain shift knob. It's been too long since I've seen one of these. Looks good. See, we got carbon ceramics too. Respect. Got another SVJ with the roof scoop, beautiful 296. Then we got a 2RS Fisoc. What else we got? GT3 RS, Vantage, another GT3 RS back there. More over here, but I think I'll take the 2RS. Didn't even realize this was a 430 Scuderia before I walked up to it. I can't even remember the last time I saw one of these, but it's got the carbon ceramics on it, which is crazy. Of course, right behind him, or right beside a 360, a giant dog. But That 812, it did have my heart until that thing pulled in. That is beautiful. Looking at this F12 real quick, I love the aero kit. The one questionable thing is these exhaust tips, like the ends of jet engines. Pretty strange, but cool. I love the spec on it. Got this Pandem C8, that sounds nasty. And of course, got a fake taxi on it. We got a Brabus 800 with lights and sirens on it.
I'm okay.
That's stupid.
Next time.
Let's look at that Brabus. Yep. Actually, first Brabus besides a G-Wagon I think I've seen.
Yes.
A beautiful 991.2 GT3 manual with martini stripes on it. Even the cop cars here are crazy. The whole lineup. I think they might be moving out here soon, so I don't know how much longer we're going to be here for.
As usual, we're not going to go above the speed limit.
But hopefully go to the track here soon. Haven't heard that in a while. So it looks like we got the cyber trucks as the camera trucks. God, it's so much quieter now. Cut, sorry. start of the race here about an hour late due to some delays. But I mean, it's so nice being here, not just hearing those crappy V6s of the F1 cars, and actually hearing some beautiful sounds. I mean, even the Mustangs sound amazing. You can hear the Peugeot behind me and the Corvette. It is just amazing. So we're gonna go get down to the track and just show you guys some action. looks like there's a lot of firsts for me for this trip. 812 Competizione A. This is the first 812 comp I've ever seen. Whoa, it looks so much crazier in person. I know these have been out for a while, but oh man. I was just going because I saw that C63 Black Series over there. Whew. So look at this thing. Oh. Oh, that is beautiful. Pretty quick because I'm waiting on the shuttle, but C63 Black Series, love to see that. It was only about 330 some odd in the world, but this, I just can't get this out of my mind. And I cannot ask for a better spec than this. The dark blue with the brown interior. Oh. I think that's going to be about it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Ciao.